Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another wig from LUVME Hair. So I will be reviewing another glueless wig, another lace closure wig, and another 4C edges wig. So the wig that they sent me is this 5x5 lace closure Jerry curly with 4C edges wig. Okay, now I'm not too sure if I'm liking this wig. I'm loving the curl pattern. Okay, I love their Jerry curl pattern, but I'm not too sure if I actually like this wig. Okay, y'all know I'm all for glueless wigs. I haven't had any issues with the 4C kinky edges, but I'm just not too sure if I like this one just yet. I don't know. But if you guys are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you guys the construction of the cap. Then I will give you guys some more details about the wig. And then finally, I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. As usual, if you are familiar with me and LUVME Hair, I work with them a lot. So I do have a code for you guys to use at checkout to save you 25%. So of course, check the description box below for all the details concerning this wig, including my code. Check the pinned comment, and of course, towards the end of the video, I will have my code on the screen for you guys. But enough about that. Let's go ahead and get into this video.
We are lovers true and through, and though we made it through the storm, I really want you to realize, I really want to put you on. I've been searching for someone to satisfy my every need. Won't you be my inspiration, be the real love that I need? Real love. I'm searching for the real love, someone to set my heart free. Real love. I'm searching for real love. Ooh, when I met you, I just knew that you would take my heart and run. Until you told me how you felt for me, you said I'm not the one. So I slowly came to see all of the things that you are made of, and now I hope my dreams and inspiration lead me towards a real love. I'm searching for real love, someone to set my heart free. Real love. I'm searching for real love. I got to have a real love, love so true. And oh baby, I thought that love was you. I thought you were the answer to the question in my mind. But it seems that I was wrong. If I stay strong, maybe I'll find the real love. Real love. I'm searching for the real love, someone to set my heart free. Real love. I'm searching for real love. You see, I'm searching for a real love, and I don't know where to go. I've been around the world and high and low, and still don't ever know how it feels to have a real love, 'cause it seems they're not around. I gotta end it in this way because we can't be found. I'm searching for the real love, someone to set my heart free. Real love. I'm searching for real love. Real love. I'm searching for the real love, someone to set my heart free. Real love. I'm searching for real
Alright, so as you guys saw from the previous clip, this wig has 4 combs. It has 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the center, and 1 comb in the back. It also has an adjustable strap, and it has an elastic band. Now once again, this is a lace closure wig. It is a 5x5 lace closure wig. So I did cut the lace in the front, as you guys can see. Now as y'all saw in the clip as well, I did use my tinted lace spray to tint the lace. I just wanted to see how it would look on these wigs. I haven't used that on any Love Me Hair wigs since I started using it. Sorry y'all, my nose is itching. But I went ahead and sprayed that. I did a little bit of plucking around the edges, just a little bit, just to make it look more, you know, realistic. All right, so let's go ahead and get into some more details about this wig. All right, so once again, this wig is from Love Me Hair. This is their 4C Edges Kinky Edges Jerry Curl 5x5 lace closure wig. The length that I have is 12 inches and it retails for $179.90. Now, of course, if you don't want to pay full price, you can use Afterpay, Zip, or Sezzle, which will divide your total payment into 4 payments of $44.98. All right, so some product details. This is 4C Edges and Jerry Curl. Ultra natural hairline and texture. It's like growing right from the head. No need to spend time taking care of baby hairs. Short length, lightweight, and unburdened. Glueless install, wear and go, and you can take off daily. Default right side part with its 5x5 lace area, but you can also, you know, part it in the middle or do a C part. Now this has 100% virgin hair from one donor. Again, it's 12 inches, lasts up to a year. The density is 150%. Hair color is natural black. Hairline 4C edges. It can be dyed. It does have adjustable straps. It has 4 combs. It has an elastic band. It's a glueless once again, and the lace area is 5x5 inches. All right, so I did put a little mousse in this wig. I didn't put too much, just kind of in this area. I am going to wet it with some water so you guys can see how this wig looks wet. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go get my water bottle real quick, and we're gonna wet this hair and see how the curls pop out, you know, with the hair being wet. All right, so here's my water bottle. So I'm just gonna spray it all over this wig. All right, so where y'all can see it's kind of shiny, that's where I put the mousse at. So I'm just, you know, taking my fingers and going through the wig, making sure the water, you know, gets where it needs to get. All right, so I am familiar with the Jerry Curl texture. I do love that texture. The very first wig that I received from Love Me Hair was Jerry Curl, and I love the way it looked, you know, after I had wet it. So it is shedding a little bit. This was just by putting my fingers, you know, through it, but nothing too bad. All right, so this is how the wig is looking. Yeah, I don't know just yet how, I don't know if I'm feeling her. Like I said earlier, I'm loving the curl texture. The length isn't bad either, but I don't know. I don't hate it, but I don't, you know, I don't love it. But she is cute. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around one more time. So this is how she looks in the front, the side, the back, and the other side. So the hair is soft. She's really, really soft. She was even kind of soft before, you know, I put mousse and water in it, but she's definitely softer. Now I did leave it as the side part, but once again, you can do a middle part or you can do a C part. I think I'm gonna wear this wig again, and I think I'm gonna do either a deep C part or I'm gonna do a middle part. We're gonna see, you know, if I really like this wig or not over time. But right now I'm not 100% feeling her. I don't know what it is, but she's definitely cute. I will give her that. definitely will give her that. All right, so that is pretty much it for this wig. You guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the hair texture, the length. How do you feel about the 4C edges? Okay, because it's giving very natural. You can still see my my hair right here, but I mean, that's fine. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about the 4C realistic kinky edges. Okay, let me know how you like this wig. Would you rock this wig? Am I rocking this wig? Y'all let me know down below in the comments, okay? I do want to thank LUVME Hair for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it. And of course, I will be working with them again in the future, okay? LUVME Hair is one of my favorite hair companies, and I've had such a great pleasure with working with them for the past, I think it's been 2-3 years almost. So I really, really do appreciate it. And as promised, I do have a code for you guys to use at checkout to save you 25%. So as usual, same code, which is my name, Lindsay, capital L, lowercase INDSAY. So make sure you guys put that in the little, discount promo code section at checkout to save you some money, okay? But that's it. Once again, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course, share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bell so you will not miss new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.